Okay guys, it's me again. I got another knife off of Amazon. This one's made by Mtech. I paid $7.67 for this. And I got it in, like, I think 3 days. Shipping was nothing, so... This is called the Mtech Tactical Knife. It's supposed to have a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, all that stuff. So, and I bought this off at Amazon directly through them. So, I'm sure if you looked, you could probably find one cheaper through a distributor or something. But that's how it comes. Plastic, like they all do. It actually feels pretty heavy and feels pretty nice. Aluminum handle. It's well put together. That's a seatbelt cutter. I'm not in 1080, so I don't know if you can see that. That's a glass breaker that actually seems like it has some balls. Belt clip. I thought this was spring-loaded, but it's actually not. If you watch, that's all that happens when you hit the lever. And the serration is just for looks, but this knife actually has a place for your thumb, which I like. So if you're used to regular spring-assisted knives that you just have to give a little wrist action to, I mean, it doesn't take much. I'm holding the phone with one hand trying to do this, so, and it is outrageously sharp out of the box, and it's a pretty cool looking knife. It's murdered out, all black on black, and you hit the blade release, closes, no problem. Let's try that again. Minimal effort. And this one again for $7, man, come on. It's sharp as hell. So, like I said, I bought that from Mtech, directly from them. That's a knife. I would recommend it to anybody. I mean, it feels great. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a Benchmade or anything like that, which I'll be reviewing some of those too, but for the money, man, this knife is pretty boss. No blade play. Got the thumb. Fit in your pocket. Not a big knife. Clicks, locks, makes you feel safe if you're cutting something, stabbing into anything. I stabbed a can with one of these, a tuna fish can, actually. I know I'm going to get some comments about that, but it was actually for a cat. But anyway, there you go. That's the knife. Great purchase off of Amazon.com. Mtech. Once again, another knife, and that is the model if you're curious. And I will be reviewing a lot more of these knives because I have about 50 on the way. Keep watching. Thanks.